Hi, today you've heard of me, OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. So first, let's open the photos of the gallery application, and for example, let's hide these two first photos. Just select them and click here Set as Private. We just successfully set them as private, and now just to find them, we should go to the settings, scroll down to the privacy section, and here we can see the private save. We should enter our privacy password. If you just use this privacy password here, just enter it. After that, we'll see here any images and videos, these two photos. Just select them and click here Set as Public if you wanna unhide them, and select the camera up top. Now we can see that they're successfully set as public, so let's go back to the photos section and we can see these two photos here again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.